Pikachu is considered a Pokemon mouse species. The name Pikachu comes from the Japanese words pika-pika, the sound of electricity, and chu-chu, the sound that a mouse makes. But that wasn't always the case. According to Atsuko Nishida, the graphic artist who designed Pikachu's look, I was really into squirrels at the time, so I wanted the character to have puffy squirrel-like cheeks, not to store nuts, but to store electricity, due to Pikachu's electrical element. Nishida also felt that squirrels had comical and cute movements, which would make Pikachu appealing. It also helps explain Pikachu's speed. Speaking of electricity, Pikachu's squirrel-sized tail's shape is supposed to resemble lightning. And speaking of tails, you can tell in a Pokemon anime that Ash's Pikachu is male, because female Pikachus have a dent in the end of their tails. And finally, in Japan, Pikachu is the equivalent of Mickey Mouse here in America. People are often hired to go to public places in a Pikachu costume, such as malls and amusement parks, to entertain the kids. And in America, Pikachu has had a balloon in the Macy's Day Parade since 2001. Follow me here and go to my YouTube channel, Level Up Cartooning, for a great Pikachu turnaround drawing exercise and hundreds of other lessons.